Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the sounds and vibration. Let me firstly enable sound, then go to the ringtone. So you can select one of these pre-installed Galaxy ringtones. You can add your own by tapping on the plus button, and you can just select a song which you can download from the internet, any like audio file. You just download it and set it as your ringtone here, so easily. But I'm just gonna select one of the pre-installed ones, so let's listen to some of them. I like this one a lot. It's so chill. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.